haiku is a form of poem originating in Japan in the 17th century. It was most likely invented by a man named Matsuo Basho, and now today it is not only very commonly used in Eastern but also Western culture. So how does one write a haiku, you might ask? Well, a haiku has a total of 17 syllables distributed between 3 lines, or phrases as some people call them. The first and third lines both have 5 syllables, whereas the second line has 7 syllables. And now there isn't an official rhyme scheme for a haiku. Most poets tend to use the AAA or ABA rhyme schemes. However, some people decide not to be restricted by a rhyme scheme, as for some it can withhold their poetic flow. And as a final tip, try to shock the reader with your final line, and also remember to use figurative language where you can. If you do that, it will help interest the reader and make your haiku much better. So, try something new by writing a haiku today. And remember to subscribe for more of my poems and tutorials. I'll see you all later.